Hello friends, welcome to Begin. I am tell you here three ways to earn money online without investment. So no waste time, let's start the video. Here the first website is dojiminipay.com. You can go only this website and sign up. Here is this website and earn. Do nothing. Only guys you can sign up and earn money. Nothing. Here it's 10 minimum 10 Dogecoin you can withdraw in your Dogecoin balance. And the second website is rev.com. This website, go to this website, sign up and convert audio to text and earn loot of tools available on Google. They help to convert audio to text and earn money. And number third website is swagbucks.com. It is popular site for surveys, watching ads and earn money. Only you go and sign up and complete surveys and earn money. You can see you fill out this surveys, you earn 5 SB, and this survey completed you earn 3 SB. 100 SB is equal to $1, and you get into your PayPal account. If you like and informative our videos, they go and subscribe our channel.